So while my rice is cooking, I'm going to show you how to store your spices actually. Now, a lot of you may want to invest in something like this. Fortunately for me, this was given as a gift, so I didn't have to spend any money. However, if you see, the sizes are really small, and if you buy this stuff, you can't really store much in it. So what my wife and I usually do is we buy this in the grocery. Tomato sauce, vodka sauce, or whatever which you use for pasta. As soon as it's done, we wash it, boil it for 2 minutes to sterilize it, which is what you get is this. And eventually with this, you just buy the spice which is on large packs on plastic, and as you can see, this is our spice rack. It's airtight sealed. We have our own label using tape and our pentel pen. That's our garlic powder, our cayenne, coarse black pepper, and with this, you don't really have to spend another set of, make extra expenses for your storage. You're using this for double purpose. One is for your pasta sauce, and once you're done with it, just recycle it. Save the environment, saves your money.